Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a notification badge in your WordPress menu. Guys, here you can see this is a website that is built with Astra theme and Elementor Pro. So now I want to add a notification badge here in the menu items. So first of all we need to go in the dashboard. After that, go to appearance, then menu. Here you can see we have two different menus. So now we can add a code in the theme customizer. You can go to customize. Here you can see theme customizer is loading on the left side. Now scroll down and find add custom CSS. Here you can see that is in the end. Now here you can add a code. Just you can go here wpcrafter.com menu badge tutorial. So guys, now just you can copy this code, add here, and now we can copy another part of code. So just I can copy again and add here. Alright. Now if you are using Astra theme, then this code is recommended for you. Just you can copy and add this code. Then scroll down. Now press enter. After that, this is the code for the animation. We can also copy this and add here. Then click publish. So guys, after adding this custom CSS code, now we need to go in the WordPress dashboard. Then here you can see menu. Just we can go here, and also you can go from the dashboard, appearance, menus. Now wherever you want to select, just you can open the menu item. After that, here you can copy this HTML code. Then here you can see where we need to place this code to enter text next to the menu item that you want badge to appear on. So guys, here we can directly paste this code. Then click here, save menu. So here you can see how it looks. Now let's visit the website. So that's great. We have added a notification badge in our WordPress menu item. Now if you want to change this new text, how you can do that? Again, you can go here in your menu settings. Then here you can replace the text whatever you want. For example, you want to add sale text. Then click here, save menu. Then refresh the page. So guys, here you can see we have changed notification badge text. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.